If you want to add effects to wallpaper on Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open settings on your phone, then scroll down a little bit, and over here you want to choose the personalize option. Now, once you go to personalize, then over here we should be able to simply tap on the lock screen that we have available over here, and you should be able to see both lock screen and home screen. You can tap on any of them, whichever you want to customize, and then here at the bottom we have add effects. And there we go, here we should be able to add a little animation. You can choose any of these options available. And you can also go to stylize in order to choose one of these different styles. And we also have others where you can, for example, apply a blur or adjust the brightness. And once you are done, once you select your effects, you can just tap on set at the bottom of the screen, and then you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper. So, for example, if you use different wallpaper on home screen and lock screen, then most likely you want to just choose the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.